Today we are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter G. To practice writing today, you can use your finger and practice writing the letter in the air. Use your finger gently by tracing or writing on your learning device. Or if someone is there to help you, you may use a piece of paper and a writing utensil that you choose. Let's begin. This is the uppercase G. The uppercase G has two steps. The first step is very much like the step in writing the uppercase C. We are going to start just below our top line of our writing space. We're going to circle left, stopping at our middle line, then doing a little straight line to the left. And that is how you write an uppercase G. Get your finger ready. Let's practice together. Uppercase G. We make essentially an uppercase C, coming around and then doing a straight little line to the left. That is how you write the uppercase G. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and practice writing the uppercase G now. If your uppercase G looks like my uppercase G, then you did it correctly. Now, here's our lowercase g. Lowercase g has two steps as well. Our first step, we're going to start at the middle or dashed line of our writing area, and we're going to circle to the left, making almost a complete circle. Then our step 2 is a straight line down. We're going to go below our writing space now, below the bottom line. We're going to curve back to the left and up and stop before we reach the bottom line once more. That is how you write the lowercase g. Let's practice one more time together. All right, fingers ready. Here we go. We're going to do a circle. Then step 2, we draw a straight line down, comes down and curves up and to the left. And that is how you write the lowercase g. Now it's your turn. Get your finger ready. Practice writing the lowercase g now. If your lowercase g looks like mine, then you did it correctly. Fantastic job. Let's review. Fingers ready, we're going to do this together. Uppercase G on the left. Here we go. Circular, large motion to the left, coming around like the letter C. Then a little line to the left. Now see, I made a mistake. I don't really like how that looks. So let's try this again. It's okay to make mistakes. Here we go. Uppercase G. Here's our circular motion coming around, stopping, and then step 2, our short little line to the left. Great job. Now, coming over to the right, have your finger ready. Let's write the lowercase g together. We're going to do a circle, straight line down, curving up and back to the left. Great job. Now it's your turn. Practice by yourself. Fingers ready. On the left-hand side of your screen or in the air, practice writing the uppercase G. If your uppercase G looks like mine, then you did it correctly. Now let's practice the lowercase g on the right. Fingers ready? You may begin. If your lowercase g looks like my lowercase g, then you did it correctly. Great job. And this is the end of our lesson today and learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter G.